all gathered here for the award ceremony of the Talent Fiesta. Are you all excited? Yes. Before that, I would like to speak a few words about our school. That's the Millennium School, Bengaluru. The Millennium School is committed towards nurturing the inherent potential and talent of each child to create lifelong learners who will be the leaders of tomorrow. We believe that values are imbibed and not taught. Universal values and ethical codes of conduct are integral part of the Millennium culture. It is a tradition to light a lamp before starting any auspicious event. Light as a symbol of knowledge removes ignorance and is a lasting wealth by which lots could be achieved. Now the auspicious event is started by performing our invocation song by one of my friends Shavya from grade 4.
मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकम् मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेवदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न तेतरात्तिभीकरं न बोधितार्कभास्वरं न वत्सुरारिनिर्जरं न तातिकापदुद्धरम् सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेदरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरम् कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं मनस्कृतां मनस्करोमि भास्वरम् मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकम् मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकम् मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकम्
Thank you, my dear friend Shravya. I take pride in welcoming Mrs. Vani K. Raj, the new principal of Millennium School, Bengaluru North. She has a great passion for teaching and has 32 years of vast experience to her credit. Besides being an efficient teacher, she has also served the capacity of principals in a few prestigious institutions. A heartwarming welcome to you, ma'am, for the virtual felicitation of the Talent Fiesta 2020.
A very happy evening to one and all. I am Vani K. Raj, the newly appointed principal of Millennium School, Bengaluru. At the outset, I would like to express my gratitude to MEN for having organized a virtual program of this kind to showcase the talents of the young minds. Now coming to the event that we are hosting, drama and theatre performed at 3 different levels. Level 1 with a theme Right to Happiness, Level 2 with a theme Right to Health, and Level 3 with a theme Right to Safe Environment. How does drama enable a child to become a confident learner, a confident individual, or for that matter, a confident leader in his or her chosen profession? What is drama? What is theatre? How are they connected to the field of education? Are some of the questions that may crop up in your mind. My answer is very simple. Drama is based on the most fundamental human faculty, and that is imitation. How do you think a child learns to talk, learns to walk, or even learns to perform complicated tasks? It is only out of imitation. Why? Haven't we seen at our own homes a child trying to imitate the elders, trying to play act the role of a doctor, the role of a scientist, the role of a lawyer, or the role of a teacher, or for that matter, the role of a policeman? Putting up plays of such kind will enable the school to understand that dramatics is a healthy activity in a student's life. The way the students come together, the way the students cooperate with each other, the way the students learn their lines, the way the students deliver their dialogues, the way they put up a combined show. All these speak volumes about the role dramatics plays in the field of education. Just as how newspaper has an important role in the field of education, so does dramatics. Thank you one and all.
R.J. Jyoti was born and brought up in Mysuru and is presently staying in Bengaluru. She started her career as children program in Dwarkant Reddy Ramarpanam Trust and then shifted to Shankara Foundation. She has worked with the theatre group Utsahi Ranga and Jeevanotsava Makkala Vedike and directed nearly 15 theatre plays for many events. She is presently working as RJ at Akashavani FM Rainbow. They have their own venture called Dhvanidhare Media, through which they are creating Kannada audiobooks and have produced more than 120 audiobooks. These books are now available in all platforms for digital books. We welcome you, ma'am.
Now I call upon Jyoti ma'am to speak a few words about the program.
Hello everyone, myself RJ Jyoti have been worked with the theatre group Utsahi Ranga and Jeevanotsava Makkala Vedike and directed nearly 15 theatre plays for many events. Presently, I'm working as an RJ at Akashvani FM Rainbow. Along with this, we have our own venture called Dhvanidhare Media, through which we are creating Kannada audiobooks. It gives me an immense pleasure to be a part of Millennium School Bengaluru. As said, the virus is not confined by borders, but neither is talent is a virtual world. It is a very good initiative taken by Millennium Education Management by providing a platform and giving an opportunity for the students across the country to break the barrier and showcase their talent. The competition between the schools were really very tough to judge as everyone performed excellently. But as it was through 3 levels with the good themes: right to happiness, right to health, and right to self safe environment. It made me easy to judge. Lastly, I would like to thank the Millennium School Bengaluru for inviting me for such a competitive competition, Talent Fiesta, to judge for theatre. Last but not the least, I thank Tarun from Kannada Kalalaya Dance Institute for referring me to the Millennium School Bengaluru. Thank you everyone for such a lovely and fantastic program.
Priyanka L completed her MCom from Mount Carmel College. She completed her pre and post Vidwat in Bharatanatyam under Guru Pulukeshi Kasturi. She worked as a teacher at Shantala Arts Academy. She performs various Indian classical forms like semi-classical, contemporary, dance drama and Indian folk forms. She has performed in various dance events like Dasara Utsava, Hampi Utsava, ISKCON Brahmotsava, Sai Arts International, Karur Natyanjali at Tamil Nadu, Nritya Sinchana at Mysore, Kinkini Nrityotsava, Jalapadotsava, and many more. We welcome you, ma'am.
I call upon Priyanka ma'am to share her views about the program.
Hello everyone. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to The Millennium School Bengaluru as inviting me as one of the judge with Jyoti ma'am. Myself, Vidushi Priyanka Tarun, classical dance choreographer at Kannada Kalalaya. In view of crisis the world is facing today, virtual media has come out like a superhero to save budding artists from being left unrecognized. Talent Vista is an excellent initiative taken by Millennium Education Management by providing a platform to the budding artists by breaking all the barriers and showcase their talent across the country virtually. Once again, I thank The Millennium School for inviting me as a judge. Thank you one and all.
Hello everyone, myself Diveshri, MLS2 Science Facilitator, here to welcome all our members of Millennium Education Management.
It is a great pleasure for the Millenniumites of the Millennium School Bangalore to welcome Raman Bajaj sir, the CEO at Millennium Education Management Private Limited. Under his leadership, the chain of Little Millennium preschools have grown from 100 plus centers to over 750 plus centers over the last 7 years. He has over 12 years of leadership experience in the educational space in India. We are happy for his leadership and strategic direction to Millennium School as CEO. A warm welcome to you, sir.
I would like to invite virtually a passionate, focused who has excelled in organizational development that have been a vanguard for change management. She plays a critical role to ensure quality standards of education in the fast-growing chain of schools under the brand name the Millennium Schools and Millennium World Schools. It's none other than Geetika Bahuguna, COO, Chief Operating Officer at Millennium Education Management. She is also part of the National Committee of Early Childhood Association as Vice President and on the Board of Advisors of NGOs that are working in the field of education. Comes with 30 years of outstanding experience in education with expertise in the conceptualization, training and management of large-scale innovative educational programs in both private and government sectors. We Millenniumites of the Millennium School Bengaluru welcome you, ma'am.
Mites of TMS Bengaluru take an opportunity to welcome a dynamic leader, Avnish sir. Director Schools, who heads sales and marketing, who is highly passionate and committed to the cause of education. Sir has almost a decade of experience in running and managing large international schools in the country. Sir has done significant amount of work in leadership development and operational effectiveness. A warm welcome to you, sir.
Good morning everyone, my name is Dhanush Kauda. I am studying in grade 3. TMS Bengaluru had got a fantastic mentor who is always being with us with excellent guidance and dynamic support. Any guesses? Yes, it is our Renuka ma'am. Renuka ma'am is a head implementation of Millennium Learning System practices across all the Millennium schools. She is the founder teacher and ex-head mistress of the flagship Millennium School, who is highly passionate about translating theory into practice. With an experience of over 25 years in education and administration, has been awarded Best Facilitator in implementing MLS, its true spirit. We the Millenniumites welcome you, ma'am.
Now, I take an opportunity to introduce Akanksha ma'am, the training head at Millennium Education Management, who has 25 years of experience in training resource with CBSE Center of Excellence. She takes up many interactive training sessions which motivate each one of us with her continuous guidance and excellent support. We heartily welcome you, ma'am.
Last but not the least, I feel extremely grateful to have our pre-primary mentor, Rika ma'am, who always motivate and inspire our little Millenniumites to showcase their talents. Rika ma'am has a PhD in education from University of Delhi and Masters in Education as well as in Zoology. A gold medalist in the subject Zoology and with experience of conducting research with pre-primary children and teaching at school, even at college level. Been mentor to teacher trainees and Department of Education, University of Delhi. Endorses human education and education has a right for all. Rekha ma'am is very passionate about working for animal rights as welfare. Loves nature, trees, birds, creatures of all forms. Also loves reading mostly non-fiction. At last we welcome you, ma'am.
My dear friends and people, welcome to the magic world. Let's create the magic of happiness. वो दूध हम सब भूखे बच्चों ने पहली बार पिया. हम सब के चेहरे पर एक बड़ी सी स्माइल आ गई. सोचो.
A से अनार, A से आम, ई से इमली.
हेलो अभी मैं अभी क्लास में हूँ. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलती हूँ. क्या सरप्राइज? स्कूल के बारे में?
Good things come to those who sweat. Exercise can change your mind. Hey, hi. What? Who am I? I am ill and not well. I am a...
Hello everybody. I am David Sandeep Mahajan. I am going to play a character of happiness. Hi, I am happiness. You can find me everywhere, but many people send me.
Oh, come, sit here. What is your problem?
meditate, exercise, stay connected, and eat healthy food. Stop! Go outside and play! Come on, everybody, let's sing a song. We will not see TV. It will spoil our eyes. We will run. We will be healthy and strong. Thank you.
Yes, you are correct. I am water. I am the basic infrastructure, planning and investment. Millions of people die because of waterboardism. So let
पता चला अब मैं रोज क्यों डांटता रहता हूँ तुम्हें सफाई कर लो, रूम साफ रखो। इससे तुम्हें कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा, लेकिन तुम्हारा भविष्य इस अपोकलिप्स से जूझेगा। आज तुम इतने मज़े से पटाखे फोड़ रहे हो, इतने मज़े कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा यही मज़ा शायद तुम्हारे भविष्य के लिए सज़ा बन जाए। अभी तुम दोनों मुझे वादा करोगे?
हाँ बेटा, अगर तुम अपने पर्यावरण का ध्यान रखोगे तो ही पर्यावरण तुम्हारा ध्यान रखेगा।
बेटा, ऐसे सब वाहनों में से जो धुआं निकलता है वो हमारे वातावरण को
हाँ, और अगर सालों तक ऐसा चलेगा तो हमें जीने के लिए सांसें भी कम मिलेंगी।
ला 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 ओम What is this, huh? Why are you doing like this? I will explain you. If the water of the tap will be open, so the water wastage will be there.
Happy day to everyone. I am Neelakanta of grade 3 studying in the Millennium School, Bengaluru. The theme for level 1 was right to happiness. All of us have the right to be happy, don't we? Happiness can neither be bought nor sold. It is purely a state of mind. It is not how much we have, but how much we enjoy that creates happiness. So, let's all be satisfied with what we have. Let's try to bring a smile on the faces of the less privileged. Finally, I wish to conclude by saying that we are a lot happier when we give people a bit of our heart than a piece of our mind. Thank you, one and all.
Now it's time to announce the results, and the winners of level 1 with the theme Right to Happiness are: first prize goes to Mir Nayak of grade 2 TMS Surat. Second prize goes to Swara Ven of grade 1 TMS Surat. And the third prize goes to Daivik Mahajan of grade 2 TMS Surat.
Good day to everyone. I am Advik Agarwal of grade 4 studying in the Millennium School, Bengaluru. Well, the theme that was given to level 2 was right to health. Don't we all wish to be healthy? Yes, we do. What is health? According to BKS Iyengar, health is a state of complete harmony of the body, mind and spirit. Health is a human right, not a privilege to be purchased. Lack of health causes diseases, anxiety, stress and strain. Let us all work towards maintaining good health. Both physical and mental health is the greatest wealth one can possess, and we need to take care of it. Wishing you all a healthy life. Thank you, one and all.
And the winners of level 2 with the theme Right to Happiness are: first prize goes to Janmay Patel of grade 5 TMS Surat. Second prize goes to Adya of grade 3 TMS Bengaluru. And the third prize goes to Advik of grade 4 TMS Bangalore.
Good evening, one and all. I am Nitik of grade 3, student of the Millennium School, Bengaluru. The theme given: for level 3 was right to safe environment. All of us are entitled to live a healthy, clean and safe environment. Degradation of the environment is the most severe problem that mankind is facing today. Many people in different parts of the world do not have access to clean air and drinking water. Because of the increasing pollution, contamination of the environment is causing serious problem to all forms of life. Who's responsible for this? Unfortunately, in the name of industrialization, we are interfering with the environment to a very dangerous axis. If the citizens of the world do not take measures to protect the environment from further degradation, let the children of the world be blessed with a good social and natural environment. Thank you all for patience hearing. Thank you.
Now the results of level 3 with the theme Right to Safe Environment, and the winners are Jeet Atarbala of grade 7 TMS Surat, and the second prize goes to Hitansh Muradia of grade 6 TMS Surat, and the third prize goes to Sher Paul of grade 8 TMS Surat. Congratulations. Dear children, winning is always fun, but winning is not the point. The willing to win is the point. Never giving up is the point. And never being satisfied with what you have done is the point. And with this small quote, I would congratulate again to all the winners on their achievement. Good job.
Now I request Harshita ma'am to give the vote of thanks.
It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really very hard to make this Talent Fiesta happen. I, Harshita, on behalf of the Millennium School and all the teachers of the Institute, extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty for making this event a great success. On behalf of my school, I extend a deep sense of gratitude to our jury members, RJ Jyoti ma'am and Priyanka ma'am, for giving us their valuable time. Event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling week ago, which require intricate planning and details. We have been fortunate to have a team of a very active and dedicated teachers and school in charge. I am short of words for MEM and their involvement and willingness to take on the task beyond their comfort zone. I would like to thank the people who worked behind the scene to make this event happen. Our sincere gratitude goes to all parents and well-wishers for their support system and encouragement. I would like to thank our budding rock stars who made this event colorful with their rocking performance. Last but not the least, a big thank you to all of you who made this day memorable for all of us. Thank you very much.